Remote freight dispatchers are using AI tools to improve lane selection and carrier rates, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Let me be very clear about what is happening in the freight dispatching industry right now. We are in a major shift. For years, dispatching was built on experience, relationships, and gut instinct. People would say things like, "This lane feels good," or "Rates should be around this number," or "I think this carrier will take it." That worked for a long time because there wasn't a better system available to most dispatchers working from home. But that era is over. In 2026, AI tools are changing how dispatchers make decisions. And Truck Driver Nation is teaching exactly how to use them alongside real dispatch training. We still teach the fundamentals because you need to understand freight, carriers, and negotiation. But if you stop there, you are already behind where the industry is going. Today, dispatchers can use AI-driven tools to analyze lane profitability in real time, compare historical rate trends, estimate carrier acceptance rates, and identify stronger load opportunities before committing. That changes everything. Dispatching is no longer just about experience. It is about access to better information at the right time. And that creates a real advantage. A new dispatcher working from home can now operate with a level of precision that used to be reserved for large logistics companies with full analytics teams. One of the biggest barriers in this industry has always been experience. Traditionally, you needed years of relationships, negotiation skill, and lane knowledge before you could consistently make strong decisions. Without that, most beginners relied on trial and error, and in freight, trial and error is expensive. AI is changing that. Now, dispatchers can use data-backed insights to suggest optimal lanes, estimate fair carrier rates, identify undervalued routes, and reduce pricing mistakes before they happen. That levels the playing field. A beginner is no longer guessing while an experienced dispatcher relies only on instinct. Both can now operate with real-time data support that improves decision-making from day one. And that leads to faster learning, fewer mistakes, and a shorter path to profitability. At the same time, something bigger is happening. The identity of remote dispatching is changing. It used to be believed that dispatching required an office, a brokerage, or being physically tied to logistics hubs. That is no longer true. Today, a remote dispatcher can analyze freight markets from anywhere, make real-time pricing decisions, manage multiple trucks, and compete with traditional operations without being on site. This is not informal work anymore. It is becoming a technology-enabled logistics role powered by systems, data, and structured decision-making. And here is what is already happening. Dispatchers who learn how to combine AI tools with traditional dispatch skills are handling more trucks, working more efficiently, and increasing earning potential without increasing hours. Because when you remove guesswork and manual inefficiencies, you increase capacity. And more capacity means more opportunity. This is exactly what Truck Driver Nation is focused on. We are not just teaching old-school dispatching. We are preparing people for where the industry is going. You still learn the foundations, but you also learn how to operate with modern tools, how to think in systems, and how to use AI-driven insights to make smarter freight decisions. Because if you are only learning traditional dispatching today, you are already behind where the industry is going. The future of freight dispatching is experience combined with intelligence, data, and speed. And the dispatchers who understand that early are the ones who will lead the industry.